Welcome to TunesKit. Today's video, we'll show you how to factory reset or restore iPad for iPads stuck on a certain screen, stuck during an update, or simply need a factory reset. Let's get started. Method 1. Restore iPad in Settings. You only need to enter the settings, find General, then find the Transfer and Reset option and select Erase All Content and Settings. Next, you need to enter the lock screen password and the Apple ID password in turn. Then your iPad will start to factory reset. Wait a few minutes. Method 2. Reset iPad without passcodes via iTunes. Connect your iPad to PC, then put your iPhone into recovery mode. If your iPad has a home button, press and hold both the home and power buttons until this screen appears. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons. Then, press and hold the top button until the Connect to Computer icon appears to enter recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, a prompt will pop up in iTunes or Finder, allowing you to choose to restore or update your iPad. You need to click Restore iPad, then iTunes will automatically download a new system to overwrite your current one to achieve the purpose of resetting iPhone. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This method does not require any password and can erase all data safely. Step 1. Connect the iPad to the computer. Choose Unlock iOS Screen and click the Start button to proceed to the next step. Step 3. After confirming that the device information is correct, click to start downloading the firmware package. While waiting for downloading, please do not disconnect your iPad from your computer. When the firmware package is downloaded, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to unlock your iPad. This process will not take too much time. When your iPad is unlocked, all the data and content on your iPad will be erased.